It's raining time.
Uh-oh. Oh! Shit! Shit!
People are here, please.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Burger, just go push it. Go push it.
one at a time. Back up.
Yes.
She goes first, then you, then Natalie.
It's like flying too many clouds. This girl, I know she was just soft. She hit me up, that shit dissolved. Yeah.
So today is a very special day. Hold on, first of all, say welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
Say like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah,
And today, to start off this vlog, is my son's graduation. So today is Paulo's graduation, and then tomorrow is Key Burger's graduation. So we're out the door. Let's go. Okay. Go to the car. We just got to the school this way. We just got to the school for my man's graduation. Escalante Biggs. That's where all my kids go, and that's where Miss Roro will be going next year. Push the button. Yeah. Come on. Go ahead.
Hi, Polo.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, look at my.
For Miss Maleo, for me. For you, it's your baby. Here's my baby.
Oh, Miss Mother.
Yeah, and I say, come on, my baby.
That is.
Yeah, that's your baby.
So we're at the graduation, and we got the best seats in the house. Front row, you know. That's like, I was trying to rush him out the classroom. I was like, come on, come on. Look at, what is this dude right here? So yes, they're gonna be coming out shortly, and I got Miss Roro with me. Say what's up. And next year she's gonna be on the stage too, graduated. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Oh, that's so cute. We should have just put in my car.
Okay, stop. Apollo! Apollo! Keep looking. Look at you.
Hey, get over there.
I was a daddy.
No, go in line.
Here, right here. See here.
Go sit over there for graduation.
Yeah, good to you.
Good job, Paul.
Apollo.
Maybe the front row was a bad idea.
No, someone's a good idea. A cowboy. Apollo.
It's just a step forward. One step forward.
Go, Paulo. Keep going, Paulo. Hey.
Yeah.
Woo! Good job. Good job.
It's raining time.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Get it. Yeah. Go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, stop. Why? It's not your performance. No. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, get it, Paul. Uh-oh. Oh, 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 them shoulders. Them shoulders. Them shoulders, bro. Oh, 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 oh. Robot. Hey, go, ball, go, go, go. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! You ready, Paul?
Hey.
Are you ready?
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, hey. Get it. Go, 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 go. Get it. Go, 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 go. Bye-bye there. Bye-bye. Ooh. Yeah, get it. Hey. Hey. Go, Bob. Hey. Hey.
Next we have Apollo Hodge Jones.
Woo! Apollo! My boy! That's my son!
His favorite color is red, and he wants to be an astronaut when he grows up because he wants to go to space.
Woo! Good job, Bob! Goodbye, baby.
Set the class of 2025!
Woo! 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 All right, we just came from the graduation, and you know, like us at this food bank, man, we turned up. So we got the races going on. We just had some. Oh!
Run like that, Zip. Hey, he got little legs.
Happy, what happened? What happened?
I was about to run and then like. You lost.
All right, one more. Hey, the best out of three. The best out of three. Hey, Zip. Zaray. Ooh, ooh. Ashton again. That was Ashton again.
He's cheating.
Hey, Ashton is whooping y'all ass.
Yeah, Zaray cheating too. They all cheated. They all cheated. Let me tell y'all. They all.
No, Zaray. Hey, Didi, you had it right down. He's definitely taking big steps. But hey, he run like he finna get bit by a dog or some shit. Hey,
You gotta be fast.
Trying to get propellers on that motherfucker.
hey,
Trying to get propellers on that motherfucker.
hey, I could tell though when you was a little kid that it was taking off though when he was a kid. Hey, one more time. All right. Oh. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Why was y'all running right at me? Who won that? You know? Alright, yeah. Yeah. We got the crew here. 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 Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, hey, can somebody give me an official head count, please? Oh, hold on, guys. Hold on. Alright, come on. Come on. Alright, we in here, man. Oh, Denali! I see you.
I got a messed up about, hey.
Oh, Burger, hold on. Oh, get it, Berg. Get it, Berg. Get it. Get it. Get it. No, turn. Oh, my God. It's all right. Good job, though. Hey, we out here bowling. We out here bowling.
Okay, bro.
Tell me one thing that y'all learned from a thing. Anything? Did y'all learn anything from our time together?
Respect is important, and you gotta be able to understand and respect everybody.
Okay.
Shut up and listen.
Oh, no, you did not learn that. All right. Hey, we got the facilitator. We got the facilitators. Oh, yeah.
Get on his next. He's been talking. Let's see.
Hey, man, look. Y'all really finna see a professional bowler. I don't understand what's going on.
All done.
Hey, but we out here, look. We out here, we celebrating all the young people in the group. We got a big turnout today. 28 kids graduated from the group today. So it's gonna be beautiful.
Shout out to the kids, they did their thing.
Shout out to the kids, they did their thing.
So I guess you're going over, Shayla.
Oh yeah, come on, what's going on?
Nah, she got a whole full peanut.
Elon, you next.
Oh look, it's my turn.
Let's see what Elon be talking about. Elon be talking, let's see.
Yeah, let's see what you got.
Hey, get back. Yeah, it's fine.
Hey, Zach, you gotta get over here.
The real technique to the bowling, I don't put my hands in the holes, you know. Hey, I bowl like a kid, but watch this though.
Come on, let's see you go.
Elon, watch out.
Watch out, come back, Polly. No. You over there.
All powder ball. All powder.
Hey, that was a warm up. This is the better one.
It's all
I
right.
got an excuse. Tell him.
Hey, my son kissed this ball. Hey, don't kiss the ball, but kiss the ball.
You better do something.
That wasn't nothing. That wasn't. Oh, Mateo. Oh.
Still get together.
Hey, this is the first one.
Hey, it's cool. Hold on. Is it your turn, Nick?
That was Camille.
Oh.
That was the first one.
Can he get that spare? Is he getting that spare? No, it's straight in the gutter.
By the way, I released it too late.
Oh, he one of them. He came with the explanation. Who's the? Oh, Matea. He redeeming himself. Oh. Oh. Shit. Yeah.
What are you trying to vote?
Oh, look, he got the tips and all. He got the tips and all.
Listen, watch this. Let it go.
Oh, this one.
Let it go.
Okay,
Okay. Get it in there, Bird. Do what you do. Hey, put a little umph on it. Oh, watch out. Oh, no. All right, it's good. Hey, you got one more try. Hey. Yeah.
Bro, you cannot use that light bulb. That's cheating. Hey, give him the ball.
Oh, here.
Hey, it's not your turn yet. Sit down. Elon, your plans.
Got one. This is the lane. What are lanes?
Back up though, back
This
up.
is burger.
Alright, bro.
Hey, get back.
Okay.
Don't play.
Mr. Electrify.
Hey, this is why I'm gonna take the lead right here.
Okay.
Buddy, back up.
I'm gonna take the lead right
Get
here.
that ball.
Watch this. Alright, watch this.
Hold on.
Watch this. Our bowls, alright? Man, I did not record, but I got a strike though. I got a strike though. Hey, sometimes you can't get greatness on camera. But they witnesses though. He seen the strike.
Nah, that strike was something crazy. I'm not gonna lie, my boy Elon.
He seen the strike though. He seen the strike.
That strike was crazy.
Yeah, come on, man. Come on. He seen the strike.
Nah, seen it, bro. That strike is crazy.
Him, my man Najee up. He be doing tattoos. Him, my boy Mateo up, man.
Yeah, tap in with us.
Tapped in with us, man. We in the group, man. Doing it big. Struggle of love.
No one cares. I've been trying to talk to people, give people high fives. Or y'all can catch the
I
big
just
one.
try to give
Oh,
you a high
no.
five. I just try to give her a high five.
What is going on?
What is going on?
What is going on? All right, let's go see. I see you out there, man, rolling them big ones, man. I see you. I respect your bowling game. I see y'all. Who winning over here? Who winning? Let's see. I don't know.
Actually, she might be. I don't know.
Okay, then we got them over here. Oh, let me say something real quick. Oh. That boy legs a little too loose. Zippy Zaray. What the hell?
I'm running. Wait.
What the helly? Oh, pizza. Okay, hold on. Wait. All right, again, I want to thank you guys for all participating in our group. I'm very proud of each and every one of y'all, and I hope that y'all take the tools that y'all learn with y'all into future stuff, all right? We're going to be doing the group again starting August, late August, so if you guys want to come again, please come back. And during the summer, we got the art program and we got the music stuff, so please come back, all right? But we're going to start it off by saying your name. You're going to come get your certificate, pose for a picture, come get your pizza, all right? Yep. All right, first person we got is Notorious Nana.
Best action photo so far.
You can't let them know somebody.
My bad, Shay.
All right. The next person we got is
Hey,
Mindful
tell him
Mode.
something Spanish.
me y'all ain't hear my voice crack. Dang.
The next person we got is Marvelous Madison.
Marvin. Got him. That's right. My bad. That was not.
The next person we got is Noble Najee.
Hey, Noble. No B. Hey, no B. Hey, no B. Boy, what is that, Chief Keef? Hey, tell him, Chief Keef.
Got it. Victorious Victor.
Vic.
Hey, I might be the best photo guy in the game.
No, you're not. I promise you that.
Watch out, Mateo. Mary Mateo.
Mary.
Mateo.
Where Mateo at, y'all? Well, he don't want his pizza.
All right, the next
Leave it to the
person. Oh,
side.
there we go. Mary Mateo.
That boy just got married. Yes, sir.
All right, the next person we got is Dapper Zay.
Thank you.
Come right here, take over.
The wall.
Next person we got is Talented J-Bond.
My boy T. Tito T.
Come on, I need some.
Mindful Michaela. The next person we got is Artistic Azariah.
Got him.
Watch out.
Next we got Inspirational Isaac. Next we got Confident Chris.
Sorry, Shay.
Oh, he printed you too. Spotty, you printed you too. If you want to see it, you can do it.
Okay, where's the first one? Is the first one correct? Oliver, cheese or pepperoni? Pepperoni, please.
What did you just say?
Come on, y'all need the pictures. Let's go.
Same thing. Next we got Divine.
Thank you.
Clap louder than that.
Come on, y'all, clap.
Next we got Cool Camilla.
Hey, where you at? Where you at?
Alright, next we got.
You look like the girl in Sinners. You look like the girl in Sinners.
Let's go.
She got the dress on and everything.
Next we got Lovey.
And you look like Smoke.
You know what you look like? DC Lil Fly. Ugly nigga, stupid ass nigga, dumb ass nigga.
No running.
We're going straight, not to your classroom. Keep going. We'll go Mr. Lake. Burger Man.
I'm so excited to be here with you guys today. What a journey we have made this year. And it's thanks to all of us in this room and everyone who couldn't be here with us today. It does truly take a village to raise a child. I do not have any children of my own yet. However, I have these 27 beautiful children of yours that I kept close to my heart this year. I am so proud of coming into kindergarten with only knowing a few letters, a few numbers, maybe writing their name, and now leaving, writing 3 to 4 sentences independently, reading books. That takes a lot, and it takes a lot from us, and it also takes a lot from you. I know homework was not easy this year, so thank you guys for putting in that extra effort because we have these beautiful first grade kids ready to take off. So before we start our ceremony today, I just wanted to say thank you, and we are excited to share some songs. Sorry, I was supposed to introduce the song. Sorry. Our first first song is the hello song. This is a song that we sing every morning to greet our friends, to welcome our day, and to start fresh. Great job, everyone. That is a great way to start our day, nice and happy. The next song we are going to sing has a tune to a Taylor Swift song you might know. This song is called Ready for First Grade.
Come on. Hold my hand. Oh, hold this hand. Hold this.
Go, Olivia.
Hey, I just pick it up. Pick it up.
Stop. Burger Man! Oh my God! Woo! I love you!
Awesome. One more round of applause for our ladies.
Oh my God! So amazing!
All right, we are getting ready to do some awards and certificates. They will get a sash today, so friends, remember when you come down to me first, you're going to tell us what you want to be when you grow up. And then you're gonna head over to
Okay,
Principal
I need you to
Martha,
stand right here,
and you're
okay?
gonna get
Because I gotta get the good
before you
picture.
head up on the
Stand right here.
Okay, so these are actually surprise awards. I picked a Disney character for each of them that goes along with their personalities, and I did not share ahead of time, you know, the jump peeking. So this is also a surprise for them. This award is the Marlin Award from Finding Nemo, and this award goes to a student for showing extreme determination. This goes to my friend Elon Hodge Jr.
Woo! Key Burger! Key Burger! That's my baby! Oh my God! Key Burger! Oh, hold on. One more time. I'm so sorry. Burger! Woo! Oh my God! Burger Man!
I will be a scientist and an engineer when I grow up.
Woo! Oh my God! I love you! Save us!
This next award is our Mufasa. Thank you again for joining us today. Let's say we did it!
Woo! All right. So we had the graduation today. We've been running around serving. Oh yes, his graduation. Running around serving clients. Yes, I took video of it. And so now.
So this is the party?
Well, yeah, not for your graduation, though. It's a different school.
So what is this for?
It's just a community end of the school year party.
Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. They say what they're gonna say. Have a think, clink, have a good night. Good people like me, it's hard to come by. The tone on, let's go move it on. The zone on, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and give it. I'm on the floor. I love to dance, so give me more. Till I can stand, get on the floor. Like it's
Alright, out of the way because you don't want to get hit by a ball. Come on.
All right, hey. All right, who's next? Watch out, Burger. All right, throw it.
1, 2. Come this way. 3.
My bad.
Hey, just let that motherfucker down, boy. Throw it.
Oh.
Here, please.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Burger, just go push it. Go push it.
One at a time. Back up.
Yes.
She goes first, then you, then Natalie.
All right, I told him. No, I'm sorry. All right, go ahead. No. Kiasha! Oh my God! That's my sister! Woo! Woo! Oh, Kiasha! Oh my God! Oh my God, Kiasha! Oh! Kiasha! Oh. Yeah, let her know.
Kiasha,
Yeah! That's my sister! Oh my God!
The end for the 3 little ones here. We're gonna learn something about Larry, okay?
Okay, Paulo, come here. Come learn. What's your name?
My name is Angela.
Nice to meet you, Angela. I'm Elon.
Elon, nice to
Okay,
meet you.
you listen to Miss Angela. Look, she gonna teach you.
Yeah,
Teach you.
let's learn. Let me, excuse me guys, let me get Larry. Now, Larry is a girl, even though Larry's a boy's name, but Larry the Lobster. Okay? She does have her own Facebook page. Yes, I opened her page 2 nights ago.
Oh,
Okay, so this is Larry. Look, Larry.
Touch it?
Yes. So let me Let me tell you a little bit about Larry before you touch, okay?
Wait.
In a second, okay? So Larry likes to be pet. You see right here, Larry's responding.
What is
Now,
that on?
with these little feet right here, this is how Larry tastes. She knows
What
me.
is that though?
Listen,
She
baby.
knows me, so she's like, okay, hi, Angela. Now these right here, her legs, is how Larry hears. No, you better not eat Larry.
It's my tendrils.
No, you better not eat Larry. Larry's not on my menu, okay?
They touch.
You're gonna touch, okay? So also the places that you're gonna touch, this is the softest place on Larry.
What is that?
That's his tail.
That's his
Or her tail.
tail.
Okay, so one at a time. Right here, you're gonna pet Larry. You go first. See her eyes? See her eyes?
Yeah.
She loves that. She loves it. Okay. Next. Yes. Lobsters live to be about 100 years old. Larry is about 8 years old.
I touched it.
It's a
She's
baby.
about 8. Okay. It's based kind of on weight. She's about 1.25. But we're not eating Larry. Larry'd like to give a fist bump.
You gotta touch it.
Fist bump, fist bump.
No,
No.
not face bump. Fist bump. Alright, and then you can cut. Feel how soft that is? That's the softest part of Larry. Yeah, it's just water. Go ahead. Go ahead. Isn't that neat? Yes. So go ahead. See, she likes it. You see how look at the way she'll start moving around when you pet her tail. All right, that's Larry the lobster, guys. And you're more than welcome to post pictures on her Facebook page, okay? I'm kind of reserving that for parents to do. All right? But I will approve it.
Look at the. No, you don't touch the water, baby.
Yeah, you don't want to touch the water. Just the lobster. No, this is Larry. That's the one that comes out. Okay? Oh, we got more kids. Oh my goodness. Say your name first.
My name is Paul.
Paul.
Apollo.
Apollo. Okay. A.
B.
P. A. P. Right?
Yeah. O.
O.
L.
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 O.
That's right.
So this is for me and Larry. All right. There's yours, Apollo.
Oh, let me see more. Yeah, that's right.
How do I spell it?
I just be happy. Elon.
Yeah.
Elon. E-L-O-N. And this is from me and
Why do
Larry.
you say, Daddy?
It's Larry.
Larry?
Her name was Larry.
My name is Paul.
Say
See?
thank you. What do you say?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Monroe.
And how do I spell it?
M.
Look at me happy, Daddy.
Yes, good job. High five.
N
High five.
R
Wow. Let me take home and take home. See?